Gold reached new price territory last week, and a number of analysts say the rise may have been fueled by political anxiety and renewed rate cut optimism. Economic uncertainty means you have to keep up with what's happening. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll keep you in the know. Last week, gold once again pushed into uncharted territory, at one point reaching above $2,480 per ounce. In the assessment of Jake Hanley, Managing Director and Senior Portfolio Specialist at Tukrium Trading, the assassination attempt is, quote, on everyone's mind, so it stands to reason that political uncertainty is playing into the picture here. Paul Marino of Granite Shares, a provider of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, also attributed the momentum supporting gold last week to a set of drivers that include the attempt on the former president's life. The national debt keeps increasing, geopolitical tensions continue to rise, and there was an assassination attempt. You invest in gold in times of uncertainty and volatility, and that is precisely where we are now. People continue to turn to gold as a safe haven and a store of value. Analysts at GeoQuant, an analytics firm focused on geopolitics, likely wouldn't be surprised to learn that gold may have benefited last week from a surge in political uncertainty. According to their research, gold has a near-perfect correlation with U.S. political risk. There was no shortage of optimism over the prospect of falling interest rates, which many analysts say may have helped boost gold prices last week. Rate cut confidence has grown significantly in the last 2 weeks. One reason is favorable inflation data, including a monthly consumer price index that actually declined in June for the first time in more than 4 years. Another reason has to do with the recent public comments by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell that the central bank may be willing to start cutting rates before inflation returns to target. Referring to the length of time it can take monetary policy decisions to work their way through the economy, Powell said last Monday, if you wait until inflation gets all the way down to 2% to start cutting, you probably waited too long. As analyst Ernest Hoffman of Kitco News put it, gold prices rocketed through resistance late Tuesday morning to set new all-time highs as the yellow metal rides a wave of rate cut optimism and geopolitical fear into uncharted territory. Gold remains 16% ahead of where it started this year. Amongst all the geopolitical uncertainty, political anxiety, economic uncertainty, gold remains strong. That's why I suggest you take the time to learn more about what's really going on in the economy by attending our exclusive one-on-one web conference at AugustaPreciousMetals.com/webconference.